Sumif function is used to sum the values in a range that meet criteria that you identify. Sumif is about range, criteria, and sum range, cells you are looking for depending on the criteria. What are you looking for? Sum range. This is optional in some cases. However, sum range is the actual range you are going to sum. So, let's use these three examples to precisely illustrate Sumif. Example 1. Find the sum of the profits for car price over $20,000. So, the range is car price. Criteria is over $20,000. And sum range is the profits because that's what you are adding. Range is a 2 to a 7 of car price. Criteria is over $20,000. So put a greater than symbol in quotes and then that symbol and click D2. Sum range is the profits, which is B2 to B7, and press enter. Therefore the sum of the profits for car price over $20,000 is $57,000. Try to sum it manually and see. Example 2. Find the sum of the car price over $27,000. So, the range is car price. Criteria is over $27,000. And the sum range is the car price because that's what you are summing up. Therefore in this case sum range is optional as it will be a reputation. Note, whenever using Sumif, and find words like over, less, more or greater than, you must include a symbol in quotes in relation to the word in question. Therefore the sum of the car price over $27,000 is $200,000. Example 3. Find the sum of the profits for car price equal to $100,000. The range is the car price and the criteria is D4, which is $100,000.